Hello friends, today I'll be showing you how to modify the B6 clamp. Can you see I have modified B6 on one side, that is this side, and I'll be modifying this side. Okay, so what I have to do is I have to cut this portion. So what you need, the armamentarium is handpiece and one old diamond burr. Along with that you need a Arkansas stone for a rotor itself, for just to polish it. Okay, first thing is I'll do a marking on the B6 clamp. Since I have done already on one side, so this side I don't need now. This side I have, so I'll mark this side and this side so that I can cut it. So now I am going to cut this. Pause. Now you can see I have cut on one side here. I just cut this part properly. Now I have sectioned this. This is of no use. This part is of no use. You have to throw it off. I just smoothen this part little bit. Round it off all the edges. Don't keep any sharp edges. Now I'll change the burr to Arkansas stone. This I got it from this composite finishing and polishing kit from EcoDent. Very economical. You can buy this for composite finishing also. Now I'll just go around, and can you see the flames coming out because of the stone which is rubbing against the metal. That's it. Now you can see we have both the sides. That's all. So you can also do it by yourself and utilize this for isolation. Thank you guys. Bye. Hope it was useful to you, and you can also try and do this same procedure and utilize the isolation for isolation. Thank you. Bye.